Texas 727, go ahead.
Yeah, our slats aren't working properly, and I don't want to go down to LaGuardia with a short runway. Whatever, just get us out of the way, and but don't let us get too far from Boston, because I want to use the longer runway.
Texas 2127, right?
Texas 2127, when able, fuel and souls. 2127, we have 104 souls on board and 2 hours of fuel.
Logan Command, the captain advises that the slats are not working. The slats are not working on the front side. Therefore, they can't control the flaps, so they're going to be fast and land long.
Departure JetBlue 909. Departure JetBlue 909.
JetBlue 909.
Requesting level off at 5,000, please. We have a door that's open. We'll call you back with the details in a minute.
JetBlue 909, maintain 5,000. Advise when you're, if you need any assistance.
Maintain 5,000, JetBlue 909.
JetBlue 909, just want to verify you are declaring an emergency at this time?
That's affirmative. Okay, JetBlue 909 has 154, that's 154 souls on board. We have 25,000 pounds of gas, that's approximately 4 hours.
And JetBlue 909, I just wanted to verify that your emergency is due to the door still being open?
That's correct. Got a thumbs up from the fire department, 31118. Negative, thank you very much, guys.
6555, Heavy will have men and equipment standing by on the runway, and if you need anything else.
FedEx 555, that should be it. Like I said, it's just the airspeed indicators right now, so as long as we roll out safely, everything should be fine.
X555, Heavy Roger.
Runway 33 right, hold short runway 4 left.
Left on 33 right, short of 4 left, FedEx 555 Heavy, appreciate the help today.
55 Heavy, you're welcome. Do you need any further assistance?
That's negative, FedEx 555.
Logan Command, did you copy that?
Logan Command has a message. No further assistance will be insurance. We will, however, follow your craft.
Logan Command, roger.